Oh, guys, look at my patio.
I'm Jackie.
It has not looked good all summer because we've been getting lots of crazy weather. So I didn't want to keep my cushions over here because that just means that they will blow away in the crazy winds. Look at how faded my rug is, and it's only a year old, but the sun and the rain and the elements, I guess, will do that. But yeah, it's looking pretty dismal, and I need some kind of inspiration to fix it up. Things are falling over, no plants. I had an umbrella over here. A storm took it away and I found it in the front yard. So yeah,
This is a piece of it.
it's about to be the 4th of July, so I'm thinking about redoing it and making it nice so that we can relax up here with my family and stuff. But I don't know, I need some kind of idea on what to do. I have like zero ideas right now on
Comment down below to help my mom.
what color palette I need to do.
Comment down below to help.
Alright guys, so this is the complete the video of the completed patio. I'm just standing in the doorway from my game room upstairs, and walk out to see the table. And I just come here usually Saturday mornings to have a cup of coffee, relax, listen to the cicadas. For some reason we have a bunch of cicadas in the trees this year, so it's sounding like a little, I don't know. I like the sound because it reminds me of like rural places, like back in the country, you know, when we go out there. So I don't mind them. Over in this corner, I just have this two food dogs that I thrifted. I really like them. I have one on the one side of the door, and then just that candle stand over there. I cannot leave candles out here in the summer. During the day they will melt. It will be a puddle of wax when they come back out. So I usually just bring the candles out when I want to use them for ambient lighting to make things a little romantic at night, and then I have to take them back inside. So over on the other side, I just have that Colliers. I have the other food dog, and then I have that topiary in the corner just to fill out the corner. And here's the table again. And then over here I have these two bird cages that I like to put trailing plants in, and the plants are so gorgeous. They're the kind that, like, you know, they open up during the day, and then at night the petals will close. So I just think they're super cute, and they do bring like a little bit of bees too, I guess, for pollination, but the bees haven't been really bothersome, so I'm okay with that. So here's the view of the whole patio. The patio is about 10 by 30 feet, so it's a pretty good sized patio. I have over here I have a threshold table from Target, a copper table. It's been out here for years. It's been doing kind of good. And then I just have this succulent here. And for the color scheme, I decided to go a little muted this year, like the just blues and tans. I really like how it turned out. I got another little table on the side, another topiary, and a light plant over here. And on the side, I just have a chair with its ottoman that we use for extra seating. I have those architectural pieces in the back. They look nice when you are looking at this outdoor room from inside the house. When you're walking on the catwalk, you can see everything, so they just kind of give like a little bit of architectural interest. Then I have that garden stool. Guys, a big tip to keep in mind is using garden stools all throughout your home. Why? Because you can use them as extra seating, you can use them as a plant stand like I did with the orange one over there. You can use them in the shower. They're not going to break from getting wet. Like this one has been out here for 3 or 4 years and it's still in absolutely perfect condition. So garden stools are super cool. I like them. On this side, I have my table. I just have some sangria out here for later. I'm gonna bring a bucket of ice and just chill and relax. It's nice to have a table for if you want to serve. Obviously, if you want to serve your guests with some goodies, you know, you have a place to put everything. And then on this side, I have the other chair with its matching ottoman. And I have those pots, those big glass vases. I got these from Home Goods. Home Goods has them all the time. But if you don't have a Home Goods, like sometimes Ross will have this as well. They've been out here for a few years. They are holding up really well. The one in the very back, this one, used to be a lot more orange, but I guess the elements just did a number on the elements just messed up the color on this one. The other greenish tannish ones have stood up the test of time quite well, although the round one over here was a lot more green. It used to be like deep dark green, but again faded from the sun and water and rain and all of that. But it's still like a really, you know, it's a nice focal point, nice conversation pieces that, you know, people usually ask me, oh, where did you get these? And, you know, I like them. So we have the other chair and ottoman. And then I just put a little side table, again for drinks, for serving, for putting your book down when you want to just relax, and you know. And then below it, it's nice to have a 2-tier table because you can put like some fake candles. That's a fake candle, that's why it can be out here. It's not gonna melt. Or you can put, you know, some other like pieces of interest just to keep the eye moving, to keep the eye, you know, from getting bored. But this is the finished patio, you guys. I really like how it turned out. Please comment below giving me some ideas of additional plants that I can put out here that are low maintenance, because I want it to look really lush, you know, but I don't want to have to come out here and like water all the time. Like these little ones are okay, they haven't been bothersome. I water them maybe twice a week and they're okay. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss any videos from me. And comment below and let me know also what your favorite part of my patio is. Let's chat, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.